We've just read namaz, came out of the masjid, and we're just heading up to the beach just for a little walk.
I didn't notice. Is that ice?
We're on these scooters. We're just gonna get some scooters, guys, so we can go around, because it's really hot to walk, so it's nice air as well when you're around these. Are they quite fast?
Yeah.
That's us by with them scooters. It was quite fun. So we're just going to McDonald's now to go and eat. It's really hot now, getting. We're just going back. We're going to the city park.
It's a shopping mall.
We were here last night at City Park. We're here again now.
Park City. I mean City Park. I mean Park.
It's really hot outside, so we'll just be in the AC. Trying to find a churros place. We're at the beach in the daytime. We were here last night. It was really dark, so we're here now. It's really nice now. Churros, Daniel.
Because उन्होंने पता 12 आए हैं ना.
Just got some churros. How much were they here? £3?
Yeah,
just for a bit. Normally they say you get extra, but I don't know why you get a bit. Because he got scared of. This
He
is
got
guy.
scared on me.
He's seen that.
Beer belly.
He's seen your dollar sign on the t-shirt. So we're gonna try them. It's at the beach daytime. Weather. That's us just sat here for about 1 hour on the beach. We're gonna take a shell from Romania to the UK. You can see.
We loaded in Romania, guys. What? Started off. Let me tie my shorts, guys.
Break. Just came to the garden outside quickly before we go to the flat. We're gonna go and eat now. We're eating from here. Arey brother, you okay? Very nice, good job.
Maybe it's the menu. What's it?
So basically they've got a shop here and a barber upstairs and a restaurant just there. I ordered this dish with some chicken and rice, and it was like kind of sauce, Turkish sauce. It was quite delicious. I was really hungry, I forgot to kind of vlog it.
The drink. You're done. See, I'm just making up the food.
Some dessert we ordered. It's like a paratha with ice cream.
Oh, I'll try.